10 cubed is 10 multiplied by itself twice. 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 10 gives us 1,000. 10 squared is 10 multiplied by itself, and 10 times 10 gives us 100. 10 to the power 1 is simply 10. Anything to the power 1 is just simply itself. 10 to the power 0 equals to 1, as anything raised to the power 0 is just equal to 1. When dealing with a negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, to turn it upside down. Well, we know 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Hence, turning upside down is now going to become 1 over 10, and we now always write the power positive. And we know 10 to the power 1 is simply 10. Hence, 10 to the power negative 1 is equal to 1 over 10. 10 to the power negative 2. Again, when dealing with a negative power, we know a negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, to turn upside down. If it's not already a fraction, we know 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Hence, turning upside down, I'm going to get 1 over 10. And again, I write the power positive. So 1 over 10 squared. And I know 10 squared is 10 times 10. And 10 times 10 on the bottom gives us 100. Hence, 10 to the power negative 2 is equal to 1 over 100.